Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be updating your iPad to the latest iPadOS. So let's get started. Go right into your settings. In your settings, you're gonna see your first option where it says your name or your device's name. Just manually make a backup there using iCloud. If you have no more space, just like I do, then just hook it up to your computer and make that backup there. Also, if you're having any problems, you can also do the backup just hooking it up to your computer. So on PC, you would use iTunes. On Mac, you would use Finder to do that. Your second option might say, for some of you, software update available. However, not everybody's gonna see that. So if you scroll down, you're just gonna see General. Under General, your second option will say software update. From there, we can load this up. And from here, we can just go ahead and download and install. Some may only see install. That's okay. Depending on your settings, this may have downloaded already. So right now I'm just going to press on download and install. I'm going to put in my passcode. You have to do the same thing if you have one. Then it's just going to download. This is a pretty short update. It's not huge, so it will not take that much time. The reason why I always recommend doing a backup before you do any updates is just in case. Now you do want to have at least 50% of your battery. However, even if you have, let's say 64 like I do, I would still recommend hooking up some electricity while you're doing any type of update. And that's because most of us have a bit of older iPads or iPhones or iPod touches, and the battery's not 100%. It's not like when it was new. So that's why it's very important to have it hooked up while you're making any sort of updates. Right now, all we have to do is just wait, and then we can go ahead and tap on install. However, at this point, you could just leave your iPad. As long as it's hooked up, it's just going to install everything by itself. Alright, so just after just a little bit, we just have to press install now. At this point, it's just going to verify the update. We're going to see an Apple logo, a loading bar, and it's going to restart. Alright, as mentioned, you would get an Apple logo and a loading bar. The first one's going to go pretty fast, and the second one even faster. And then we're actually going to be done with the update. Once the update is complete, we're just going to go back. You have to put in a passcode if you have one. Go right into your settings and just make sure everything's okay. So we're going to go right into software update. We should see at this point in time that everything is in fact up to date. And that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.